Hello, Facebook friend. Let me show you how to, to request a Bluetooth. Just simply click the menu and go directly to create a support. You can see this create a support. Click it, and then here, this is what you're gonna be doing. Just click Meta Verify this one. You can click that, and then from there, you're gonna see getting started and troubleshooting. So click getting started this one. So from there, meta verified eligibility, you did your username profile. So this is what you're gonna do. First, make sure that uh, learn about the verified subscription benefits here, and then again, meta verified eligibility. You did your username or profile picture after your account is verified. And then that you need to make sure that your name is real person name, and again, you need to know some of the criteria to meet before requesting for verification. And one last thing that you have to remember, this meta verification for blue tick is not for free. I mean, you need to subscribe to them. Okay, after that, that's when you can get a blue tick. So just remember that this is how you can check whether you are eligible or not. So thank you for watching. Share it.